My beloved Soldano X88R. It is now modded. Did I do it? No, no, I wouldn't dare. There's only about, I don't know, maybe 4 people in the world that I would confidently just hand over my Soldano X88R and say, do whatever you want with it. Here you go. I trust you. Make it better. So, the man with the plan was the one and only Dave Friedman, who took the Channel 2, which I've always been kind of meh on, and did something to it. I don't even know what he did to it, but I'm very excited to hear what is happening there. Channel 1 is the same, which I like. It's not exactly blackface, but it's a cool sound, and it's got that Soldano clean sound. I've been told that Landau, maybe Lukather, but Landau also would have a dedicated outboard EQ patched into this to dial in a little extra goodness there. Channel 2, Channel 3, Channel 3 is just wonderful. It's got that big Luke sound. It's great. It's a classic sound, really. But now, 3 great sounds in one box. Let's go plug this in. All right. I'm guessing this is kind of where Dave left it. So I'm going through the Friat power station. Wow! Oh, I forgot to. I'm so excited! I forgot to turn on everything else. And I have a little 112 out there that's mic'd up from what I was working on before, and it was sounding really good. So, fingers crossed. Perfect. So glad I did this. Yeah, that's the tone I was going for. No, what's going on? Volume. Oh. I'm blowing up something. Too loud somewhere. Too loud. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. So let's see what this can do. That's gain at, 3 o'clock? Yeah. Is this a bright switch? Does it still... Yeah, so there's still a bright switch, which that's cool. So this is like the warmer version. So good. I'm digging this. No copyrights there. Okay, so then, yeah. What if you back the gain up? Oh yeah, I mean that's still killer usable. Ugh, already. Ha! This is so good. I'm gonna botch a couple tunes here. More. Nope. Yeah. All the gain. Golly molly. Well, that's a success. Yeah, this is going straight in the rack. Top row. Awesome. Thank you, Dave. Phenomenal work. Thank you, Mike Soldano. Phenomenal work as well. Yeah, this is a monster. All right, guys. Peace out.